I bet you'll finish these before Raya even comes. This is strawberry honey cornflakes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Line sheet pan with mini cases and set them aside. I'm using Kellogg's strawberry cornflakes. Snip a small corner of the cornflake bags and start crushing it lightly. The reason for the snip is so that the bags don't burst from crushing the cornflakes. You don't want it to be fully crushed, just a little bit like this. Measure your butter and honey and sugar in a pan, and I highly recommend using a big pot whenever you do honey cornflakes. Bring it over to medium heat, stir often to dissolve the sugar. Important to ensure the surface is bubbling, then you can remove from the heat. Be careful, it's extremely hot. Pour the bag of cornflakes in the honey mixture immediately. Mix well until all the cornflakes are well coated. Peep the dried strawberries. Spoon the coated cornflakes, dividing evenly among mini cases. Bake for about 8 minutes or until you see the tops turning a bit golden because different oven can have slight differences in temperature. Here's a tip. You don't want to overfill the mini cases or this happens. Look at the spill. Once it's cooled down, after about 10 minutes, you can decorate them with sprinkles if you like. Here I'm using the hundreds and thousands sprinkles. The strawberry is subtle, so even if you don't like strawberries, you'll keep reaching for these honey cornflakes.